guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of ants, address moisture issues, carpenter ants, moisture ants, termites and other wood damaging pests. Look for moisture damaging wood to net in by staying on top of your home's maintenance needs and ensuring that leak and water damage are repaired quickly. You'll avoid creating an idea bring ground for an ant problem. Why this works: leaving an unattended lake to damage the wood in your home is in a way asking for ant trouble. Moisture damaged wood can lead to all kinds of problems for your home, including inside ants' nests. Address like leaks quickly and replace any moisture damaged wood to protect your home. Number 2. Treat infected house plants. Ants of all kinds look for sweet smell, which is exactly the fragrance your indoor blooms produce. It's possible that your indoor plants can cause an infestation of ants, but routinely observing your bases and treating the first sign of an invasion keep your plants healthy and your home ant free. If you begin to notice a swarm of ants around your potted plants, spraying your botanicals with a garlic spray will remove the problem and keep your plants healthy. To cure the garlic spray. To create the garlic spray, you will need 1 garlic clove peeled, 1 tablespoon of non-bleach dish soap, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 cups water. Combine all these ingredients in a spray bottle before spraying all over your plants, leaves and soil. For an even more effective solution, mix in 2 tablespoons of baking soda and a quart of water so the ants will digest the baking soda and die. Why this works? Ants hate the smell of garlic and will flee the plant once they catch a whiff of the spray.